Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Jaguar XF front bumper. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface and the engine is off. Gather all the necessary tools, such as a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a Torx bit set, and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection. Make sure you have a clean, soft area ready to place the bumper once it's removed to prevent any scratches or damage. Next, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery. This prevents accidental electrical shorts while working. Carefully locate and unplug all electrical connectors attached to the bumper, including those for parking sensors, fog lights, and headlight washers. You will also need to remove any plastic undertrays or splash guards that might be obstructing access to the bumper's mounting points. Now begin removing the various fasteners. Start by taking out the screws securing the wheel arch liners on both sides of the vehicle. Then, move underneath the car to unfasten any bolts holding the lower edge of the bumper. Finally, open the bonnet and carefully detach the clips and screws along the top edge of the bumper, often found near the grille and headlights. With all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. It should release with a firm but controlled pull, as some clips may still be holding it in place. Have a soft blanket or mat ready to place the bumper on to protect its finish from scratches. Take your time and avoid forcing anything to prevent damage to the bumper or the vehicle's body. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.